Welcome back to the channel. Absolutely love to have you here. So this is a quick market update for today. And right now the crypto market total market cap is around $3 trillion. I believe that we will go to $10 trillion in this bull run. And when that happens, and if that happens, altcoins are going to absolutely explode. So right now I'm building still positions. So I'm going to buy coins until ETH is trading above 5K. Then I'm going to stop. And what I'm buying base meme coins and low cap crypto gaming coins, buying both today. And if you want to see the portfolio, my portfolio and everything I'm buying and more, check out the first links in the description and join the email list. And yeah, it's absolutely insane. So one thing that I really want to cover in this video is the Dengun upgrade. I've been covering it for the past weeks here, and it went live. And let me show you the results. I tested it instantly, and base is the layer 2 for ETH, one of the layer 2s. There's multiple ones, and I tested it on base. I haven't tested it on other, like how much it affected the gas fees but for base, yesterday the gas fees were around $1 per swap. Today, when I did swap, it showed 0.00 on base scan. Like look, and so it's not that much, so it's not even 1 penny, so it doesn't show it, but it's like 0.008 or something like that. But on base scan it only shows this because this is so low price. So this is super low gas fees. From $1 to this in a right now in this time in the market cycle, I'm super bullish. I'm super bullish. Layer 2 total value locked has been increasing. Base total value locked has been increasing. Right now as I'm recording it, it's at all-time high. Okay, I think people are going to keep bridging on base, because if you look at ETH gas fees right now, it's already like $100 gas fees. All that money will flow into layer 2s. I mean, I'm telling you, that's why I'm buying base meme coins still, and that's why I'm buying them still, and that's why I'm buying low cap gaming coins, because low cap gaming coins will enter the cycle soon, that the masses will come, and it will be incredible. It will be insane. So that's why I'm buying them still. And yeah, I have a crypto gaming low cap portfolio and also base meme coin portfolio and tons and tons and tons of NFTs. So I'm going to sell all that stuff in the Euphoria phase. So I'm waiting right now. Basically, I'm still buying when we are all-time high prices for ETH and Bitcoin are checked. Bitcoin already all-time high, ETH almost all-time high, Binance, Smart Chain, BNB coin almost at all-time high, $30 shy, and then we are at all-time high. Bullish, super bullish. So yeah, then I'm just going to wait here once we cross the all-time highs, and then I'm going to sell, here on this sweet uptrend. I'm going to sell everything and take mega profits and make insane amounts of money. I'm telling you. So I've been literally documenting this whole thing in this YouTube channel. So I'm so happy that you're right now here watching this, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And yeah, it's been very fun, and it's going to still be like the funnest part is just around the corner. So if you are holding backs right now, you're kind of like, oh, what's happening? Just hold. You will see. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm personally doing, and I'm follow what I'm doing is based on my experience in the crypto since 2017 and my multimillionaire mentors, and also I've been reading tons of investing books. And this is how everybody who has made a lot of money, this is how they do it. They spot a trend early, boom. For example, here I bought, and then they wait when everybody else gets in the trend, boom, then sell, boom. And if you, for example, what Warren Buffett, so that's the Benjamin Graham's tactic. That's what he really did, the Benjamin Graham, mentor of Warren Buffett. What Warren Buffett did, he took that and he only bought like distressed assets here that were quality. And then even though went to the bull run, he just held through them. And when you hold the assets and never sell, well, you never have to pay taxes. So it just compounded for him for years and years and years, the highest quality stuff. And that's what you really want to do at the higher level. But cryptocurrencies move super fast. One of the only assets that you can do that is, for example, Bitcoin and ETH. Right now maybe Solana also, but we will see if that's going to work out. Solana, because Solana has Solana scales. It doesn't scale the layer 2s, right? Solana scales the whole chain, so basically the whole layer 1. They don't have layer 2s, and what that means is that, for example, if something on Solana, okay, let's say that some crazy meme coin experiments goes on, and there's crazy volume and insane stuff. If that crashes, the meme coin, the whole chain crashes. Everything, dexes, everything, the whole chain crashes. But if that happens on ETH on layer 2, only the that is doing it crash. The whole ETH never like crashes because it's so decentralized and secure. So that's the between like the Solana and ETH, but we will see what will happen. But the thing there, so that's basically that's why it's been crashing, because it's scaling the thing, and when that gets overloaded or anything like that, the whole thing crashes. But on ETH, if some little meme coin goes crazy and has this insane volume or crazy stuff, it doesn't crash the system because it's on multiple layers. Okay, so anyway, that was beyond this video, but so Bitcoin halving in 33 days. Super exciting stuff. Bitcoin supply getting lower or getting harder, and at the same time demand skyrocketing. In 1 month, the real financial advisors of the world. I have one. I know these financial. By the way, but I'm just before I tell you the funny story. So financial advisors can start pushing Bitcoin to their clients, and they can start shilling Bitcoin to their clients, and that's I think it's going to get insane amount of attention more to Bitcoin and money flowing in it. But anyway, I'm not a financial advisor, but I know these financial advisors in real life, and they don't have any money. It's crazy that you can become a financial advisor, like get the paper and then start talking people. Yeah, you buy this and this, and who is talking that stuff? They don't even hold any of it, and they are broke. They maybe like gamble all their money on you, do bad habits, and then they come to work and say this. Hey, this is the thing. Like, I'm just like, wow, really? I mean, what the? That's when I found out that, I was like, that is crazy, and then I'm like. I'm like, what? I mean, okay, don't get me started on that. Anyway, super exciting times ahead. Have built the portfolios, still building. Got one. I have got, gaming coins and multiple access in 2023. Right now, gaming coins been kind of like a, ranging, nothing major. They're kind of like loading. The mega gains are loading. On base chain, I made like 35x already in this cycle. That got me like, I took the profit and I used that as the the cornerstone where I built the whole profit taking strategy for me. And I kind of like use my best experience like that. I may be taking profits too early this cycle, but not too early, but not too late. I'm trying to aim the middle ground here. I'm trying to aim here, because I'm going to leave mega wealthy this cycle. When this crash happens here, I'm wealthy. Okay, let's just put it that way. So for me, I don't want to greed. Like, can I greed like couple, like for example, like here, I already have like a lot of money here. So then I want to greed 1 more axe or 5 more axes for extra 2 million. No. I'm not going to do that. Sorry. Some people can do that. I'm not going to do that. After this cycle, I'm good. Okay? And yeah, I need to do that. For me, I need to do that. So yeah, I'm just going to execute my plan. I don't really listen to what a lot of people do. Of course, I listen to everything. Like, I am a learning machine, right? I listen to everything and stuff like that. But ultimately, I just get that information and make my own what I need to do, because everybody has a different risk profile, high risk taker, low risk taker, different kind of like what your hormonal balance is, what your life situation is, what your past is. Everybody of us here are completely different. So if you watch somebody like because my success doesn't necessarily mean that when you get the success that I have, that necessarily don't mean that you are happy then, because you have a different goal. You have different goals. Your genes are built different for different things. Okay, so that's why you need to kind of like, so very good. Somebody asked on YouTube like, what's my favorite book? My favorite book is for Peter F. Drucker, Managing Oneself. It tells you how you can find your strengths and weaknesses. And by the way, The Art of War states that if you don't know your enemy, but you know yourself, you'll basically win one and lose one. Same if you know your enemy but you don't know yourself, you lose one and win one. And if you don't know yourself and you don't know your enemy, you lose everything. But if you know yourself and you know your enemy, you will win every freaking battle. If so there's a good movie about Napoleon Bonaparte 2023. I think it was launched, released in 2023. Not the best movie though. I highly recommend you do not maybe watch that movie. It was so weird. It was good, but I think that it's focused on the wrong things. But there's a Napoleon Bonaparte biography. Read that. I haven't read even the full the biography. But I read it. I usually read books. Sometimes I read the whole thing like super like in depth. Sometimes for some of these books I read it slowly and I read it over and over again. For example, a couple of these books I have read like 50 first pages, and they are so full of information that I don't read more of the book. I just come back and start reading it again because the power of repetition is that's where the things get real. Okay, so if you, for example, watch this YouTube channel here, I've been doing these videos every single day, so it becomes like repetition. It's very powerful. It's very powerful. I repetition to myself these concepts over and over again, talking to these videos and sharing them with you. It is very powerful, and I know myself. I learn the best when I speak and kind of like teach the things that I know. So that's why one of the things that's one of the selfish things I do like is I do this because I also get a lot out of it, but I also want to share because I just wish that somebody would have shown even this chart that you are watching right now. That's why I show it constantly, because I want this to repetition this to your freaking brain, because you can use this for the rest of your life, and you will use this rest of your life and just freaking crush the markets. Okay, I expect you to make a lot of money. I expect you to absolutely crush the markets. Okay. So just do it, okay? There are people crushing. There are people making crazy money. They have exact the same knowledge as you have. You can do it too, okay? So do it. Not a financial advice. If you want to join the email list, check out the first thing in the description. And peace out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos. Let's get it.